ready to ditch the event planning chaos and create a seamless experience for you and your attendees. Let's dive into Eventbrite, your one-stop shop for creating and managing successful events. First, head to Eventbrite and log in or sign up for a free account. Once you're in, find the big Create Event button, usually located on your dashboard, and give it a click. This is where the magic begins. Now, fill in the essential details about your event. Give it a catchy title, select the event type, whether it's a concert, workshop, or something else, and specify the date, time, and location. Be as accurate as possible to avoid any confusion. Next up, write a compelling description that will entice people to attend. Highlight the key benefits, talk about the speakers or performers, and give potential attendees a taste of what to expect. Let's talk tickets. Eventbrite offers various ticketing options. You can create free tickets, paid tickets with different price tiers, or even VIP packages. Customize each ticket type to suit your event's needs. Now for the crucial part: promotion. Eventbrite provides handy tools to spread the word about your event. Share it on social media, send out email invites, and utilize Eventbrite's marketing features to reach a wider audience. Once people start registering, you can manage your attendees directly through Eventbrite. Track registrations, send updates, and even communicate with attendees before and after the event. Congratulations, you've successfully created and managed an event on Eventbrite. With these tools at your fingertips, you're well on your way to planning successful events and creating memorable experiences for your audience.